In this video, we'll be showing you how to convert the classic control box wiring to be compatible with the new basic electronics system and install the wires on the basic control box. Before getting started, please familiarise yourself with the installation instructions and operation safety guidelines found in the supplied manual. If you are unsure or not confident about any of the installation process, please do not attempt the work and contact a professional installer. The parts required for this conversion are included in the CM71 Basic Electronics Pack. We will be using the basic control box, ring terminals, fuse and inline fuse box. Tools required include wire cutters or sharp scissors, wire strippers, crimping tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Whilst not included in the pack, you may wish to use heat shrink collars. A lighter will be required to seal these. The wires are labelled differently on the classic and basic control boxes. In a correctly wired and routed standard single axle configuration, the labels 1, 2, 3, 4, plus and minus correspond as M3 plus, M3 minus, M2 plus, M2 minus, B plus and B minus respectively. The included manual will help in tracing the wires back to their motor attachment points. First, ensure the isolation key is switched off and terminals are removed from the battery. Remove the 6 spades by gently wiggling from the crimp. Do not pull the wires as this may damage the cable. Cut the wire below the crimp to remove the spade. Measure the ring terminal against the wire to determine where to strip the wire. Next, strip the wire. Here we have used wire strippers. If using a heat shrink plastic collar, put this onto the wire now. Insert the stripped wire into the new ring terminal until the copper wire can be seen. Using a crimping tool, select the correct crimping size. Next, crimp both sides to ensure the crimp is tight. Place the heat shrink collar over the crimp and seal with a lighter. Remove the panel from the new basic control box. Loosen and remove the exposed screws. Place the ring terminal onto the screw and screw into the appropriate connection. When all wires are installed, replace the panel onto the control box. The positive battery cable requires an inline fuse. This is positioned midway between the control box and battery. Cut the cable and repeat the crimping process as before. Open the inline fuse box. Insert the fuse. Then place the ring terminals over the fuse and bolt into place. Replace the fuse box cover. Then reconnect the terminals to the battery. Switch on the isolation key to allow power to the control box. Complete the basic handset pairing sequence as outlined in your manual. We also have a video guide that is linked in the description below.